Assalamualaikum and hello my friends. In today's video, I'm going to present my individual project proposal. Well, it has been an exciting discovery and a lot of fun. My project is making an air-dry clay bowl. Before I proceed, let me introduce myself. I am Farzana Zulkifli as well as an artificer for my project. Nice to meet you! Referring to the slide, my project agenda for today is comprising of firstly, the background of the project. Second is, I will show you my weekly Gantt chart of the project. Third is, flow chart of the project. Right after that, I will explain my reasons of project implementation. And the last one is the expected outcomes of my project. Did everybody know what is actually an air-dry clay bowl? Basically, it is a model of art. For my first point is, it's not just a model of art, it is a lovely craft handmade project that model, dry and color. Usually, people finish it with a layer of glaze that makes the clay bowl look very shiny. And it turns out to be a fashion bowl and as a decorative object. Next is creativity. Why I call it that kind of way? The reason is because the product itself can be formed into many ways. Well, it may be modeled by hand or cut or stamped into any shape. As you know, the methods for forming clay bowl is as varied as the artisan who create them. On top of that, it is a therapeutic project activity. In making of a dry clay bowl, it may reduce stress and anxiety. Plus, the mental state of operation where fully immersed in an activity with energized focus, complete involvement, and full of enjoyment. So here is my weekly Gantt chart of the project. As you can see on the screen, there are 5 phases of project management comprising of initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and the last one is closing. Under initiating process, I put several components such as following. 1.1 Determination of project idea. How I came out with this project. 1.2 Identification of project need. I just listing all materials need for the project. 1.3 Outline the project process. And 1.4 Identification of project objective. Second one is throughout the planning process. In 2.1, I have been outlined the project details. 2.2 Identification of my project budget. 2.3 Preparing my project proposal, and 2.4 Defining my project design. Next is executing process under 3.1 Implementation of the project. I have been planning my project going to start on November 14, 2020 and it will take for 5 days onward. Also under 3.2 including a process of development of the product as for the next 5 days. In conjunction with monitoring and controlling phase, under 4.1 Monitoring quality of work process, I need to supervise how my project is progressing, as it is keep on track and meet the standard I have been planning earlier or not. Beside that, under 4.2 Managing project budget, which means I have to manage my project budget since maybe there will be any things in sudden I need to buy in order to get done of my project. And the final process is closing. Under 5.1, there will be a conducting review of project. 5.2, update expected outcome of project. And 5.3, complete final report of the project. And if you guys notice, this project will be carried out within 2 months. Let's move on to the next slide, the flowchart of making an air-dry clay bowl. First thing first, we need to take the air-dry clay and knead or squeeze it until soft. Roll it out to about a 1/4 inch thickness. After that, take a round bowl or any round object and using an X-Acto knife, cut out the remaining clay. Then, place the cut out clay into a bowl and let it dry for 24 hours. When clay bowl is completely dry, sand away any rough edges by using fine grit sandpaper. Next, we may start with painting around the clay bowl according to our creativity ideas and concept. Last step is just leave the clay bowl or seal it with a layer of varnish. At this stage, I will go through over the main point, the reasons of project implementation. Above of all the process as I mentioned earlier, it is a fun and convenient activity Therefore, it can be a fun event for the whole family and friends. Second is, it can be a hobby or business, as in today's trend, many children and teens are interested to fill in their free time with activities that involve creativity and somehow make hobby as profession too. Apart from that, the air dry clay bowl is an innovation and inspiration indeed. The selection of the idea for this project is primarily based on my creativity thinking, my favorite view on accessories, and my own interest in collecting something that looks antique and classical. Other than that, as a home decoration ideas, essentially clay bowls can be used as home decorations such as in the kitchen space or in the dressing room, as well as to keep jewelry or beauty items. Similarly important, it can be used as a great gift or souvenir. It is because of its lightweight, beautiful yet affordable to surprise it to any guests or friends. Last but not least, the expected outcomes of the project. After following with every task of this project, spontaneously we can gain the visual art knowledge. It encourages a person to experiment with different ways to add color, a fun way to create or shape a texture by developing a technical process and lateral thinking. Consequently, it also helps to develop skills, which are visualization and interpretative skills. Since in making kind of clay ball activity, it allows an avenue for self-expression, hence lead to innovation. In fact, it will turn out as a decorative craft. As it is known, it can be used as a ring dish, personalized and given as a keepsake or used as home decoration. So I guess my presentation have come to an end. Every one of you are very welcome to get in touch with me. Do follow my Facebook and Instagram account, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a big thumbs up. It will mean so much to me. I highly appreciate if you guys do so. Well, thank you for spending your time watching my video. Till next time everyone, take care and bye bye.